time to go beyond what a smartphone can do. With a massive camera upgrade, the A16 BIONIC chip, an entirely new category of safety innovations, and never-before-seen display technology. This is iPhone 14 Pro. The always-on display artfully dims your wallpaper to create a unique, low-powered lock screen, making go-to information available at just a glance. And introducing a remarkable innovation that is both hardware and software, and something in between. The Dynamic Island. An interactive place that bubbles up alerts, notifications, and activities, fluidly transforming itself as needed. It's an entirely new way to experience iPhone. You are now looking at the most impressive iPhone camera system yet. In a major leap, the iPhone 14 Pro's main camera has a 48-megapixel quad-pixel sensor. It captures breathtaking detail, depth, and color, and now gives you the equivalent of 4 Pro lenses at the ready. With every photo, the quad-pixel sensor captures 4 times more information than ever before. Then, the A16 BIONIC, powering the new photonic engine, analyzes and perfects every pixel with up to 4 trillion operations, achieving an astonishing new level of sharpness and detail. And now, pro photographers will be able to capture an uncompressed 48-megapixel Pro RAW image, giving you even more resolution to rescale, retouch, and reimagine your photos.
That was perfect. Let's go again.
Building off iPhone's leap ahead in ProRes and Dolby Vision video technology,
And action.
iPhone 14 Pro now includes new Action Mode, allowing gimbal-like stabilization for all your action scenes. And Cinematic Mode will be even more powerful for pro filmmakers, with 4K resolution and 24 frames per second recording. iPhone 14 Pro is capable of shots that for most film cameras are simply impossible. You can rely on your iPhone every day, and now it can even help in emergency situations. For the first time, iPhone 14 Pro will be able to communicate with satellites with emergency SOS, allowing you to deliver critical information to emergency services in places where Wi-Fi and cell service are unavailable. And a feature we hope you never have to use.
Commencing test.
Crash detection. Using a high G-force accelerometer, gyroscope, sensors, and machine learning algorithms, iPhone 14 Pro can detect when there has been a severe car crash and automatically call emergency services. Supercharged by nearly 16 billion transistors, the A16 BIONIC is the fastest chip in a smartphone and powers the most impressive range of Pro innovations yet. The iPhone 14 Pro goes above and beyond, redefining what a smartphone can be. Again.
All right, this is take 1 for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4.
Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Fold 4 turn folding glass from novelty to icon. They change how you experience the world. Let's start with Galaxy Z Flip 4, our most compact flip yet.
Does that feel all right?
That felt like maybe too whispery.
Nope. Sounds good, man. Let's keep moving.
All right.
Slimmer than ever, Flip's matte haze glass finish comes in 4 stunning colors. Eye-catching from this angle, that angle, every angle. The pocket ability.
It's one word. Pocketability.
Pocketability. What's pocketability? Got it.
If you like it glossy, pick from 75 bespoke edition color combinations. The cover screen is designed to keep up with your life. Open it, and a whole new world of self-expression unfolds with FlexCam.
Let's cut for a second.
Are you familiar with FlexCam?
Yeah, of course. I love FlexCam. FlexCam is nice. No, sorry, what was it again?
Let me just show you, maybe it'll help your read. FlexCam gives you the freedom to express yourself, from video calls to videos to selfies, even from the cover screen. All hands-free.
Okay, thanks.
All right, moving on.
Preview your selfie and include your whole crew hands-free. Shot after shot after shot. Even Instagram is optimized for FlexCam. Capture life from new perspectives. Up high, good boy. Down low, and action.
Okay, great. We can take 5 here.
Up high, down low, and action.
Okay, let's get back to work.
Every angle is your best angle with FlexCam. You can even toggle between screens to suit your view. Flip's upgraded battery powers you through every moment. And with FlexCam, don't worry about shaky videos at night. Z Flip 4 is the ultimate smartphone for self-expression. Say hello to Z Fold 4, the productivity powerhouse. The thinnest fold yet, with a wider cover screen.
This feels great.
Go ahead.
Unfold it if you want.
Okay.
Open it, and you're in 7.6 inches of endless viewing with a less visible UDC. You can truly get lost.
Alex.
This is so cool.
Okay, yeah, let's go again.
The large screen gives you a leg up while gaming.
Hey, did you get the link I sent?
Hold on, let me check.
With the new taskbar, switch seamlessly between apps, or a single tap opens 2 at once.
Looks amazing.
Can we fly to Rome on this tour?
Let me see which flight they've got for Rome. I got it.
Multitasking has never been so fast. From full screen to flex mode, apps flex. On a video call, S Pen lets you take notes. And an IPX8 rating lets you take spills. Ultra-thin glass in...
Hey, hold on. You skipped over the processor part. Our whole new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile platform.
Snapdragon. Okay, Snapdragon.
It means fast.
Fast. Okay, cool.
Let's
cool.
move on to the next part.
Ultra-thin glass inside, aircraft-grade strength armor aluminium frames, and exclusive Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus outside. These are our toughest foldables ever. Accomplish more than you ever thought possible with Z Fold 4. Unfold a new world of self-expression with Z Flip 4.
Good job. That's a wrap.
Cool.
Thanks.
I'll just take these home. No? Okay.
So, you've taken up running. Apple Watch has taken up a few new things as well. First, it tracked your distance. Now, it's tracking your stride length. It learns your favorite route, then lets you race against yourself.
You're behind.
Yeah, you're behind.
When you're swimming, it can tell a breaststroke from a backstroke from a kickboard. And when you're done, it dries itself off. This isn't a dream. Your watch can take an ECG. But if it was a dream, that watch would track your REM sleep down to the minute. It checks your heart rate. It checks for temperature changes to estimate when you've ovulated. It checks out when you're buying spaghetti. It could already detect if you fell. Now the microphone detects impact noise. The accelerometer senses rapid deceleration, and the barometer measures a shift in pressure consistent with an airbag going off. So it can check if you need help after a serious car crash. And hey, it also shows your ground contact time.
Amazing.
Have a nice run.
face!